Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to download data in Zapier. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in zapier.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Zapier. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, right over here, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option settings. Once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Zapier. You'll be able to access various settings options from here. At left, you'll be able to find the options like My Profile, Notifications, Security and Data, etc. Simply click on the third option, that is Security and Data. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the security and data interface. In this interface, you'll be able to access the settings related with security and data. What you have to do is scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for data management. At first, you'll be able to find the option for download my account data. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for account data, or you'll also be able to find the download icon over here. You can click on either of them. After you do that, simply wait for a while. You'll receive an email of your account data in a zip file. Now you can see over here it has been completed. What you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now once you do that, you can see over here Gmail will be opened. Zapier has sent me the email. Simply click on the mail. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the link for downloading your account data. Simply click on this button, download your account data. Once you do that, you can see over here your account data will be downloaded. You can simply click on this open icon. Now it will be downloaded as a zip file. What you have to do is click on this extract option. Click on the option extract all. Select the destination. You can browse for it if you want. After you do that, click on this option extract. Now wait for a while and data will be extracted. You can see over here data extraction has been completed. Now you can go to the desired location. You can see over here you'll be able to see the file over here. Simply click on it in order to open it. Now you'll be able to see your data over here. So like this, you'll be able to download your data. So that is how you download data in Zapier. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.